So we are at Agnes Water. Honey, what are your thoughts about Agnes Water? We've been here 24 hours so far, came up on a goat track.
We did, yeah. Really pretty place, so much to do here, so much to offer for family and people that don't have kids with them. So many activities, fishing over there, surfing, bodyboarding over there, people walking on the beach, sunbaking, it's a whole new thing. Yeah.
Sandbaking?
Yeah.
Okay, must try that.
Just up the road, 1770, how far is it to drive?
Oh, it's about 7 kilometres.
Yeah, but you can ride your bike. There's actually a big walkway or bikeway you can ride or walk
Yep.
there. And we're at the Agnes Waters
NRMA Park.
NRMA, and easy walking distance to lots of shops, dress shops, lots of cute shops, groceries.
And coffee shops.
Yeah, butchers, chemist, was it newsagents? Yeah.
And the LARC water cruise is only about 5 minutes down the road, which we're going on soon.
Yeah, we are. So, yeah, beautiful.
So we've left the caravan park. We've just stepped straight down from the caravan park onto the beach. Going to walk along, find hopefully a nice quiet area where we can spend some time just chilling out on the beach. What do you reckon? So 1770 Marina, we've come here now. We're about to go and set off on our LARC cruise. We came the other day and the place was almost deserted. The car park was empty and now everything is chockers. People are turning up, getting ready to go on the cruise. And you can see the boats in the background. So should be an awesome afternoon, beautiful sky. Water looks nice and calm. See how we go.
Our convenience is normally we go in there and go down that little rough ramp because we've got to use 2 ramps, and I reckon this will be the first time all day that there's been 2 ramps vacant at the same time, and that's because we weigh about 8 tonne. So we'll come back up there most likely on the way back. Tide's still on its way out. We don't have quite as much water in the creek as we sometimes do. Actually, up in the mangroves, always heaps of fish hiding out up in there.
Can we throw a line out?
Yeah, you can everywhere around here is free to fish, that's for sure.
Talking about now.
Oh, did you bring one?
No.
Well, then you can't throw one out, can you? So I want you to remember what the word LARC means. It is an acronym, LARC. Anyone? I'm waiting.
Land amphibious recreational.
Good guesses, kid. Probably not with us on it today, hey folks? And on land in full drive mode, they can tackle a maximum incline of around 65 degrees, so incredible. And that's all the texture we can see all over the surface of the mud flat here. And so as they go about doing that, in a process called carbon recycling, they're not only cleaning up the sand, but they're providing a food source for all the species of birds that live out here, over 70 different species of shorebirds, and all the fish and the stingrays, even the sharks, and the tide turns around and comes. And just keep in mind my eyes out for one of the smaller species of shorebirds. I love to see them. They're a tiny little bird. They don't often take. We have many different species of predatory birds here as well. Would you like to have a little bit of fun before we go back to the floor? So, you know, there's open ports at the back you can flush out, so if you get loose thongs or whatever, they'll too. Alright, everyone hanging on? Make sure you're hanging on to stop one.
So our time here at Agnes Waters on 1770 is quickly coming to an end. But I'll tell you what, the scenery, the landscapes up here, it's just absolutely breathtaking. We've just come back from having a great trip on the LARC, and that was just awesome, wasn't it, honey?
Yeah, it was.
And you can see the scenery in the background behind me. Linda and I've just gone up to one of the lookouts, and I've flown the drone around this headland, and it's just, yeah, we're just really surprised at how beautiful it is. And we went down to a little isolated beach. You can see a little isolated beach behind us. There's one on the other side of the headland. Went down there, flew the drone. We had beautiful views over 1770. And then as we were coming up, we had the beach all to ourselves. And as we were coming up, we passed probably 20 or 30 people heading down to watch the sunset. And
Which
so
we're going to do back down at 1770 at the marina. Yeah.
we're going down, we're
Yeah,
going to have fish and chips at the marina and watch an amazing sunset. But in the meantime, look at the amazing view. Caravan Park has a great little cafe as well. So Linda and I are going to head over there for breakfast. It's just off the beach. You never know what you might come across at the caravan park.